Cardano value equivalent to 4.9907 rands a coin. The present cost range: 4.9746, 5.2200. The earlier day close: 5.1651. The change was 0.1744, 3.38%. Converse rate: ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, October 9. Cost 5.14 rands, high 5.50, low 4.78. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 5.22 rands, high 5.59, low 4.85. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 5.18 rands, high 5.54, low 4.82. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, October 12. Cost 5.25 rands, high 5.62, low 4.88. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, October 13. Cost 5.20 rands, high 5.56, low 4.84. In multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, October 16. Cost 5.41 rands, high 5.79, low 5.03. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 5.46 rands, high 5.84, low 5.08. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 5.50 rands, high 5.89, low 5.12. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, October 19. Cost 5.68 rands, high 6.08, low 5.28. Cardano conjecture on Friday, October 20. Cost 5.67 rands, high 6.07, low 5.27. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, October 23. Cost 5.60 rands, high 5.99, low 5.21. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 5.71 rands, high 6.11, low 5.31. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, October 25. Cost 5.61 rands, high 6.00, low 5.22. Cardano estimate on Thursday, October 26. Cost 5.62 rands, high 6.01, low 5.23. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, October 27. Cost 5.61 rands, high 6.00, low 5.22. In 3 weeks Cardano estimate on Monday, October 30. Cost 5.46 rands, high 5.84, low 5.08. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, October 31. Cost 5.45 rands, high 5.83, low 5.07. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, November 1. Cost 5.49 rands, high 5.87, low 5.11. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, November 2. Cost 5.59 rands, high 5.98, low 5.20. Cardano estimate on Friday, November 3. Cost 5.44 rands, high 5.82, low 5.06. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, November 6. Cost 5.44 rands, high 5.82, low 5.06. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, November 7. Cost 5.41 rands, high 5.79, low 5.03. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost forecast for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 5.10 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.55, while low cost 4.83. Found the middle value of cost 5.17. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.19, change for February 1.8%. Cardano estimate for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at 5.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.64, while low cost 4.90. Found the middle value of cost 5.25. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.27, change for spring 1.5%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at 5.27 rands. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.38, change for April 2.1%. Cardano gauge for May 2024. To start with cost at 5.38 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.87, while low cost 5.11. Found the middle value of cost 5.46. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.49, change for May 2.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost at 5.49 rands. Excessive cost 6.48, while low cost 5.49. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.88. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.06, change for June 10.4%. Cardano conjecture for July 2024. Before all else cost at 6.06 rands. Excessive cost 6.16, while low cost 5.36. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.84. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.76, change for July 5.0%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at 5.76 rands. Excessive cost 7.15, while low cost 5.76. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.34. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.68, change for August 16.0%. Cardano gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at 6.68 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.27, while low cost 6.31. Found the middle value of cost 6.76. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.79, change for September 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at 6.79 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.38, while low cost 6.42. Found the middle value of cost 6.87. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.90, change for October 1.6%. Cardano gauge for November 2024. In the first place cost at 6.90 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.96, while low cost 6.05. Found the middle value of cost 6.60. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.50, change for November 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at 6.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.20, while low cost 6.26. Found the middle value of cost 6.67. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.73, change for December 3.5%. Cardano gauge for January 2025. In the first place cost at 6.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.73, while low cost 5.57. Found the middle value of cost 6.26. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.99, change for January 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for